And so your words spring into actions. Your words are powerful. So we've got to watch the words that come out of our mouth, because the enemy, I tell you guys all the time, there are the angels that's waiting on your words. There are the demons that are waiting on your words, but your words are going to come back. Okay. So you might want to make sure that you put them in the proper hands, that you say things that the angels can take and build upon and work out on your behalf, and not what the demons can take and mislead you and misguide you. So here he's really mad at himself, because he knows that Jacob really didn't steal his birthright. What his mama did was deceiving, but he had gave it up. And not only had he given it up, Rebecca was trying to help God out. How many of you are guilty of that? Somebody come and lift a leg. Guilty.